Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz B-Class. This vehicle has done just under 66,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access our settings, store, apps, information, comfort, media, radio, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.